This morning in Health Watch, the demise of dating. Instead, high school and college students are quote unquote hooking up. Joining us is Kathleen Bogle, author of Hooking Up, Sex, Dating, and Relationships on Campus. She's also an assistant professor of sociology at LaSalle University. Good morning.
Good morning.
Define hooking up. What does that mean exactly?
Well, that's one of the tricky things about this whole thing. It can mean kissing, it can mean sleeping with someone, or it can mean anything in between. So it's one of the most vague terms that high school and college students use.
I always thought it meant definitely having sex, so you're telling me it doesn't mean that.
No, that's what a lot of adults think, and sometimes college students themselves are confused. But when you actually look at the research, a lot of times it means far less than sex, sometimes just kissing.
Oh, okay, so it doesn't sound so harmless then. Why is this happening that they're not dating, they're just kind of maybe randomly kissing someone and not leading to any dates?
Yeah, so many things happen and kind of converged at one time that you have, people getting married much later. That's a big issue. People used to use their high school and college years to figure out who they were going to end up with and almost do some sort of spouse shopping. And now people aren't getting married till later and later. So it makes high school and college this time where relationships can be really, really casual.
But then what happens after college? I mean, if they're used to not dating and just, participating in this hookup culture, what does it lead to?
What's amazing is I interviewed people that were in the young alumni category, aged 23 to 30, and people that hooked up all through high school and college went back to more traditional dating after. And it was amazing because they would say, yeah, I hooked up in college, I partied, I drank, and then they would switch to really traditional dating.
Parents right now are going this. Kathleen Bogle, thanks so much.